Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back. If you're new right here, hi, my name is Sonal Yadav and I keep on creating a lot of beauty related videos right here on my YouTube channel. So if you like watching such videos, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing a product which I recently love. This is a lipstick and it's very affordable. So I thought of making this video wherein I share the review of this product and I will also be swatching all the shades that are available. The moment that I tried it out, I was just blown away with the quality because the price is very affordable, but at the same point of time the quality is still top notch, and I just could not stop myself from creating this video and reviewing it with you guys. So yeah, please make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be sharing the swatches as well. And now without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so before starting off with the review, please give me a moment to talk about my jewelry that I'm wearing today. This is a jewelry which was sent to me by this brand called as Italo. They make beautiful sterling silver jewelry which are very minimal, very fine, and they are amazing in quality as well. I am impressed with this quality, and you guys know that I love wearing, fine dainty jewelry in my videos. It just is something which, reflects my personality, I feel. So this is basically the outer packaging of the product. I received this beautiful box. It is a perfect gifting option. Inside you will find these smaller jewelry boxes which is made out of silk and velvet. It just represents its class and and it just gives a beautiful luxury feel every time you open and try out your jewelry. One thing that I love about these jewelry is that the fine details are given a lot of priority, and you can see how beautiful it looks. They have jewelry for every occasion. The second ring that I'm showing you is a wedding ring. It's a beautiful 3-row wedding ring, and I am in love with it. It just screams luxury to me. I love this. It's a statement piece to carry. The next jewelry that I'm showing you is this round cut golden necklace. It is so fine, and still you can see the details are quite noticed and just beautiful in general. I love carrying such jewelry pieces, and you can find a lot more on their website. They have jewelry for any occasion that you would want to buy, and there are a lot of options to try out, so you will definitely find something for you. So I'll leave my jewelry link in the description box below. Also, I'll give you a code using which you can save 20% off your purchase, so do try them out and do check the website out. Okay, so now starting off with my review, the product that I was talking about is the Matte Look Cosmetics Crayon Lipstick. And some of the colors are so beautiful in this lipstick range that I just could not stop myself from reviewing this lipstick. And I will leave a timestamp right here. So if you are interested in watching just the swatches, you can click on this specific timestamp and you can just watch the swatches part of the video. Talking about the pigmentation, I am in love with it. I think you will have to layer it up 2 times, but after 2 times you will be blown away with the pigmentation. I can assure you that. If you have a slightly pigmented lips, then there might be this one specific shade which might look a little which might be a little hard to cover your pigmented lips, which is called as Nude Me 25. But other than that, all the shades beautifully applies even on pigmented lips. The packaging as well, it says that it is velvet smooth, no transfer lipstick, which is true. I am happy about that. Like, it is actually very velvety matte finish sort of a lipstick, and it is very smooth when you apply it. My lips was not pulling or it was not tugging my lips while I was applying it. The application was very smooth. So when I applied it, it felt like a creamy lipstick thing on my lips, but later after that, after 5 minutes, I felt like I'm having a liquid lipstick on because the intensity and the pigmentation looked so beautiful. Like, even right now it feels like I'm having some sort of a liquid lipstick on and not a crayon lipstick. It has like a paint like pigmentation to it. It is very beautiful, I will say. I really love the matte finish. It is a very comfortable matte. The formulation is very nice because it doesn't dries your lips out. Now, talking about the packaging of this product, I love that it's a crayon lipstick with a retractable packaging, because I personally don't like those crayon lipstick which comes with the sharpener and all of those things. I think it's just a little messy to handle, whereas the packaging of this lipstick is very easy to use, and you can just twist and use your lipstick. And most of the time what happens is that with matte lipstick comes a lot of chappy dry lips, which is just not my thing. I just don't like that. And I'm happy that this doesn't gives me that. So talking about the longevity of this product, it is going to last on your lips for more than 5 hours. After 5 hours, it starts coming off from the inside of your lips. So that is something which happens with most of the lipstick. Price that you're paying, I mean, this is just a 300 rupees product and it is lasting on your lips for more than 5 hours. I think it's a great product in itself still. I personally love this shade which is called as Cafe Frappe. This is a beautiful shade. Let me just swatch it for you guys and you can see how beautiful the color looks. It is something which I am wearing in my last video as well, wherein I recreated Kiara Advani's Shersha movie look, and it is such a stunning color that it looks beautiful even without makeup. It's a beautiful, you know, nude shade for dusky skin. The same lipstick on my lips right now. Let's just see if it's transfer proof or not. You can see it does not transfers, which is again a great thing. The reason why I'm filming today's video is because I love the fact that they have enough of mauve shades that will suit dusky skin tones as well. You guys know finding a good nude shade for dusky skin tone is very hard. Sometimes I mix like 2-3 different shades to get that beautiful nude shade on my skin tone, but you have this 300 rupees product, you do not have to mix it with other products and you will get that beautiful nudie, you know, mauvey sort of a shade. If I had to rate this product, I would give it a 7.5 out of 10 because I feel there are a lot of other colors that can be added to the shade range, like reds and, you know, coral tones and a lot of pinky mauves, and lipstick is really beautiful. So if they extend the shade range, it will be amazing. I love the lipstick. They are very affordable, really nice for everyday wear. If you are someone who likes to wear lipsticks on, you know, regular basis, these can be a really nice affordable option. For 200-300 rupees, I think they are serving the best that they can. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching today's review video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video as much as you can, and I will be back with more such videos. Until then, please take care. Bye. Now enjoy the swatches.